Types of marriages among the Somalis. True marriage. An Alafdon man meets an Alafdon woman and they marry. Hidden or silent marriage. A married day from Garissa, Mombasa or Minneapolis or Sydney or Mogadishu meets this single mom or maiden and they fall in love. But now he tells her he wants to hide or hush or be silent about the marriage. She tells her people who also accept and do a silent nikah marriage. The lady may be in Nairobi, for example, hence they now have to plan their marriage around his business trips. Or in the same city in the case of the diaspora folks. Her family will do the marriage here and they live a life of hide and seek wherever. In as much as it is halal marriage, it's unjust. Marriage is to be announced. The women who do accept this injustice violate themselves. Such women bury their rights. I don't know how they'll get them back. Vacation marriage. Mostly diaspora men who come back to Africa for a vacation include a temporary marriage in their package. Only the counterpart doesn't know. Her family witnesses and she gets all the pomp and dance. In her mind, it is marriage like number. For him, it's a part of his kujivinjari. I have not heard or seen the same from the diaspora living sisters. So brothers, don't catch feelings here. Ramadan marriage happens just before Ramadan, the fasting month, and ends immediately after. Like the vacation marriage, the man knows it's temporary as he is just after a cook for the month but doesn't tell the lady. It's not very common among the Somalis, though I see them doing a catch-up with the Quaestorians who did this. Now it's not only the men from the diaspora who cheat. The ones from back home do cheat innocent Alafdon women. Once they get papers, some dump the woman because all they wanted was the papers. Khutbisiro is a Kamwi state that doesn't meet the definition of marriage in our context. The involved cheat themselves into some fake nikah conducted by some dubious guy claiming to be a sheikh and with no witnesses. There's no marriage there. All those involved throw stones. My helmet is firm on my head. Over to those on the no.